Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to analyze about that why earthing pin is longer and thicker in 3-pin socket connection. The complete information of the reason also we will see that why the earthing pin is longer and thicker. Okay, so let's start the video without taking much time. So basically there is a two main reasons for making this earthing pin longer and thicker. The first reason is that leakage current. If due to any electrical fault in the system there is a chance to leak the current in the circuit. So also there is a chance to get shock by a person. So because of that reason only we are making the earthing pin longer and thicker. Okay, what is the second reason to make this earthing pin longer and thicker? The second reason is that minimum resistance. Okay, so we all know that if we make a wire thicker, then that will having the minimum resistance. Okay, and also we know that the current always starts to flow through the minimum resistance path. Because of that reason only, the earthing pin is also made longer and thicker in the 3-pin socket. Okay, so these are the main reasons for making the earthing pin longer and thicker. So let's end this video over here. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.